In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic flair to your website or simply want to enhance the interactivity of your pages, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace editor. When you're logged into your Squarespace account, find and click the link to begin customizing your site. This web-based editor is where you can adjust your web page's layout, add new features, and, most importantly for us today, animate text. With the editor open, the next step is to locate the text that you want to animate. Once you find the section or block that contains the text, click on it. This action will select it, making it ready for editing. After selecting your text, look for the Edit option, which usually appears as a pencil icon or as part of a drop-down menu. Clicking on Edit is crucial as it opens up the text's customization settings, allowing you to modify various aspects. Once in the edit mode, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the highlight option. This may seem a bit unusual at first, but highlighting is the initial step to prepare the text for animation. You'll notice that there's an arrow next to the highlight option. Clicking this arrow will reveal additional settings and features you can apply to your highlighted text, including different text effects. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. From the menu that appears, choose a text effect that suits your design style. Squarespace offers a variety of effects, from subtle fades to more dynamic slides and bounces. Don't be afraid to experiment with these options until you find one that complements your site's aesthetic. Once you've selected a text effect, move on to click Animation to open the animation settings. Here you will find a range of animation styles that can be applied to your text. Choose the one that fits best with your vision. These animations add another level of dynamism to your text by controlling how the text behaves when loaded or interacted with on the site. Just as important as the type of animation is its timing. Set the duration of your animation to suit your preference and ensure it aligns with the type of experience you want your visitors to have. Whether you prefer a quick, snappy animation or a slow, elegant one, adjusting the duration will help personalize your effect. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections and changes, don't forget to click on Save. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and applied to your website. And there you have it, a simple way to add lively animated text to your Squarespace site. Remember, the key to great website design is consistent experimentation, so feel free to play around with different effects and timings to discover what works best for you. Happy designing!